Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. Here we're trading crude oil on Monday, February 25th, 2019. And typically crude oil makes its moves later in the day on Monday, so no need to get up early and start trading. We like to start trading after 10, trade from 10 to 12. Plenty of opportunity out there to make some coin. Now basically the market leaves footprints, so you look at the trading time frame from 9 to 10 and look at the ranges, and that's when you decide what the potential for the day is. Can I make $1,000 on this range? Crude oil going in 30-40 tick ranges on the reversals, or is it trading 10 to 15 ticks? So if it's trading in smaller ranges, that means smaller profits. So you go for a smaller profit like we did, $400 to start the day. We start the auto trader right after 10 o'clock. It's in an up move. It's really not going that far. From the lows and the highs, you get about a 10 to 15 tick range. So we set the auto trader up with a very simple strategy to make 6 and 8 profit targets on the first two contracts, and the third contract's a runner. If you only trade 2 contracts, you would trade 6 and a runner. So in each trend, you're more than likely to make $100 on each trend, up, down, and down again. So if you want to make $300 to $400 a day, you just have to catch 3 trend changes, which is very easy to do. As I'll show you, I did it all day long. And so here we get short 3 contracts using unmanaged orders recommended by Ninja Trader. Never get a bad fill, always at market price. We get our first 2 profit targets. Runner gets out on a trend change, and then this upside goes really nowhere, and then down we go. Plunge team comes out, and we bank our profit of $400 as the daily max gain shows. So we can do this all day long. There's a trader that bought our software about 2 months ago, and he's making 120 ticks a day doing the same strategy. So it does work. Okay, here's crude oil once again, same strategy. After we hit our last profit goal, we reset the strategy when it was in a downtrend. We're coming up into the 10:30 time frame. This is where the market makes its major moves of the day, 10:30, 11, and 11:30. And this is not a cherry pick trade. We do these trades every day, same time. And market goes up, we get some gains. Market goes down, we get some gains. Market goes back, we get some gains. Market goes down, another $400 profit. It's as simple as that. 6 and 8 profit targets. You could use 4 and 6. You could use 2 and 6, 2 and 4. You're going to make money on the trend changes. If you have a 20 profit target, you ain't going to make any money. So look at the chart. It's telling you what the market is doing, and say, okay, from the low here, let's just use the 85 to 56.05. That's 20 ticks. So if I can get 10 ticks on each trend change, you're doing very well. It's not rocket science. So again, another trade, we reset the auto trader, coming into 11 o'clock time frame. Usually major market moves happen at this time frame. We come up here to a lower high, it dips down, makes another lower high, and then plunge. We go down, hit our first 2 targets nicely, and the third one hits our profit goal. And our max gain, we had 3 trades at 100% winners. We lowered our profit because the market was slowing down going into 11 o'clock on Monday. So again, We reset the strategy. Major moves happen at 11:30, and market is trending lower. We get some profits on the way down, back on the way up, back on the way down. Another $300 profit goal. So if you can't make $300 a day in trading, you're obviously doing something wrong. If you're using a 6 or 8 tick stop, that is ridiculous. You got to use at least a 10 or more in trading crude oil. If you're worried about money, you ain't going to make money. So you got to use a wider stop. And as you see, the dips happen and we profit on each dip and reversal. And here it is lunchtime. After our last move, we reset the strategy while I was in a downtrend. Sold off some, and nice reversal. We pick up some profits and we call it a day. $244, 3 trades, all winners. No need to overtrade. No need to trade in the afternoon on Monday unless there is market moving news. So hope you enjoyed the video. That's how we traded on Monday, February 25th, 2019 on the crude oil. And we'll repeat the same thing tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day. Wider ranges will go for wider profits, but as you see, we made plenty of profits today. Good luck with your trading. Hope you enjoyed the video. Sign up for our YouTube channel and our Twitter and Facebook pages. This is Patrick, Ed Trader.